Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm back with another hair tutorial featuring Nayavista hair, and I'm going to teach you guys how to go from this to these beautiful wand curls. And if you want to know how to do this, stay tuned, ladies. So as you can see, my hair is very stale, which is exactly what you want because you want the curl to hold. And I'm going to be using a flat iron, the Remington curl wand, and the heat is going to be at 410. I don't know if you guys can see that. Some heat protectant, you could use any one of your choice. Some got to be glued styling gel, and a brush and an edge brush or a toothbrush. So first I'm going to take my heat protectant and I'm going to be using the Dry Bar brand, and you're just going to basically spray your hair all over. Make sure you get your real hair because that's what you really want to protect. And then you're also going to spray it on your weave as well. As you can see, I'm getting those edges. Very important. Next, I'm going to be taking my flat iron, and it's going to be on 425, I believe, or 415. And I'm just going to brush my edges out, and I'm just going to make sure that my edges are somewhat straight, so when I put the gel on it, they'll lay down. As you can see, I am not a fan of straightening my edges at all, but you gotta do what you gotta do. Next, you're gonna be straightening the top of your head, and you're only gonna straighten the roots. This is important because you don't want to get deadened, so I try not to straighten all the way down to the ends, but just straighten the root, because once you do the curl wand is going to basically straighten the ends, so you don't want to put too much heat. Next, we're just gonna brush out your real hair and your weave just to get like all the tangles out and to prep it for the curling process. When I wand curl my hair, I like to take sections about this big, just because you don't want too big of a section or else the curl isn't gonna come out right. So yeah, you're just gonna start curling all the way down and twisting it as you curl. And you see that, girl? Yes. So yeah, typically when I do wand curling, I like to start from the front of one side and just work my way to the back. So as you see, I started with the front, and I'm gonna work all the way back until I get like halfway to the back of my head. And then I'm gonna start on the other side and work my way from the front all the way to the back. So I do like half sections at a time. Okay, so now that we're about halfway done with the hair, I'm just gonna show you guys the difference. So you see the difference? Yes, oh my God. I'm obsessed with the right side. Now we're gonna do the same exact thing that we did on the other side to this side, and we're gonna start from the front and work our way back. Again, I don't know if you guys noticed when I started curling the hair, I did not start at the root only because we already straightened the root. So you're gonna start about 4 inches from the root and just curl the ends to get that nice like body wave type of look. Now that we're all done curling our hair, I'm gonna take my Got to Be Glued in my edge brush. And I'm just gonna lay these edges, honey, because we all know these edges need to be laid, okay? So now that we're done curling our hair and doing everything, I'm just gonna break up the curls a little bit just because we don't want them to be perfectly perfect curls. We kind of want the effortless look. So I'm just gonna take my fingers and kind of just separate the curls a little bit. So this is the finished look, guys. As you can see, my curls are popping, and I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you like more videos like this, please like, comment, and subscribe, and just comment below what you guys would like for me to do next. And yeah, I would love to see you guys try this hairstyle out.